The last factor that we're going to look at today is the presence of a catalyst. So you will probably have heard of this term before, probably in biology. So a catalyst alters the rate of a chemical reaction, but it does not take part within the reaction itself. Okay. Now the key word here is alters, because you can have catalysts. Now most catalysts speed up the rate of reaction, but we do have catalysts that slow down a rate of reaction. So the proper term here would be to alter the rate of chemical reaction. How it's typically written in chemical reaction, you'll have your reactants, big arrow, and products. Okay, and written over the arrow is usually the catalyst. Now, it could be a nickel catalyst. You could have an acid catalyzed reaction, so H plus, there to signify an acid. Okay. That's how it's usually written in terms of, the catalyst is written in terms of reaction. So remember, a catalyst alters the rate of reaction, but does not take part in the reaction itself. Hence, we don't have our nickel or acid written here as one of the reactants, because it's not a reactant, it's not a reagent, as is a catalyst, so it doesn't take part in the reaction itself. So it will not end up as part of the product, but it just alters the rate of a chemical reaction. Now, how they tend to work, and if you want to write on here, catalysts tend to lower the activation energy. Remember, activation energy is an energy that the particles require in order to have effective collisions. So if you're lowering that energy, if a catalyst lowers the energy, the particles only need lower energy in order to have effective collisions. But we'll talk a wee bit about the series of catalysts and how they act on the next page. But I mentioned that catalysts alter the rate of a chemical reaction, and typically they speed up a chemical reaction. You can have catalysts that slow down reactions. Now they have various names: catalyst poison, negative catalyst, or in terms of enzymes. So enzymes are biological catalysts. So inhibitors are catalysts, are negative catalysts in the body. Okay, or a lot of drugs are based around this concept, as in a lot of chemical reactions in your body need enzymes, catalysts. Okay, so inhibitors work by inhibiting the work of your enzyme or inhibiting the work of your catalyst. So that's why a lot of drugs are based on this theory.